Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. We have some exciting news to share with you. We have crossed 1K subscribers, and to celebrate this small victory, we have a treat for you. Question: what is your favorite chocolate bar? Now imagine them in ice cream form. Wouldn't you be excited about it? I love Snickers. I love the combination of the crunchy peanuts, the chewy nougat, and the soft toffee. The sweet, salty, nutty combination is absolutely delicious. So you can imagine how excited I was to have the Snickers ice cream, but I was very disappointed. So I thought I should make my own. And let me tell you, I'm very proud of the end result. Caution: this ice cream takes patience and planning to make it, and it is very addictive. So with that, let's make the Snickers ice cream bar.
Step 1. The pan. Prepare an 8 by 8 inch square pan by lining it with parchment paper. The parchment paper has to hang off of the sides so you can pull the final set ice cream out of the mold. Step 2. The ice cream. In a bowl, pour 1 cup of chilled heavy cream and whisk it till it forms stiff peaks. Set aside. Now in another bowl, take 1 cup smooth peanut butter. Homemade peanut butter is the best since you can adjust the sweetness. To learn how to make peanut butter at home, we will put a link to our peanut butter video in the description below. To this, add 1 cup condensed milk, 1/4 teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon vanilla extract, and mix till just combined. Now add a few tablespoons of the whipped cream to the peanut butter mix. If this mix has clumped up, use a whisk to break it apart and to incorporate the cream. The cream will loosen it. Fold in the remaining cream into the peanut butter mixture. The more whipped cream is folded into it, the lighter and airier it will be. Pour this ice cream mixture into the prepared tin. Level it and smooth out the top. Drop it on the counter to release any trapped air bubbles. Cover and freeze for minimum 12 hours. We want it to be as frozen as possible when we shape them. Step 3. Caramel. In a saucepan on medium-low heat, add 1/4 cup of butter. Let it melt a little. Add ½ cup of brown sugar. Keep stirring until the sugar has melted and caramelized. The sugar will start foaming and will look like it's crystallizing, but stir through it until it melts down to a wonderful toffee consistency. To this, add half cup of heavy cream and whisk it till it's well combined. Be careful while adding the cream, as the mixture will bubble up and give off a lot of steam. Whisk till it forms a wonderful caramel sauce. Add 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt
and 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract
and mix well. Keep it aside till it has cooled completely. The caramel will thicken a lot when it has cooled down. Step 4. The peanut layer. Take 2 cups of coarsely chopped roasted peanuts. Pour it over the set ice cream and spread it evenly. Pour the cooled caramel over it. Smooth it out evenly over the peanuts. You can mix the peanuts into the caramel first and then pour it over the ice cream. That would definitely be easier, but I realized it after I poured the caramel onto the peanuts. I guess we learn from our mistakes. Cover the pan and freeze for a minimum of 6 hours. Step 5. Melt 200 grams of the 600 grams of chocolate in a bowl using the microwave method. The reason why we melt the chocolate in batches is because when you put the cold ice cream in, the chocolate sets. Reheating the chocolate many times could break its structure or even burn the chocolate. Let it cool to room temperature. Step 6. The assembly. Take the ice cream out of the freezer. Release the edges and pull the ice cream out by pulling the parchment paper. Cut the ice cream into 12 equal rectangles. As this is a cream-based ice cream, work with only 2 bars at a time. Return the rest into the freezer. Cover the ice cream with the chocolate. Work fast as the cold ice cream will set the chocolate. You can always melt the chocolate if it does. This is why we melt the chocolate in batches. Once covered, move it onto a parchment paper and let it set in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Your Snickers ice cream is ready. I know the journey till here was long, but I assure you it's worth it. Hope you enjoyed our recipe. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, happy cooking.